Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Yantrabhasa. This is the second video in the series of videos which I am making on Python. So in this video we are learning how to install Anaconda. So with all that said, let's get started. If you are watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please do watch my first video on Python introduction. This video mainly focuses on understanding what is Anaconda and how to install Anaconda and what is Jupyter Notebook, and we will write a sample program in Jupyter Notebook. So what is Anaconda? Anaconda is open source and free distribution of Python programming language which you can use for data science, machine learning and predictive analysis. It is developed in 2012 by Peter Wang and Torvis. It already comes with 250 packages, and you can additionally download and install more than 7,500 packages using pip as well as Conda package. Now let's install Anaconda in our Windows machine. For that, go to Google and type Anaconda. So open the first link. Here, click on the product tab. So here you are seeing many editions. Among them, individual edition, open source distribution. This is an open source distribution. Click on that. All other editions are paid. So we will use Anaconda open source edition for our learning. Click on the download button. So here if you see, you have different Anaconda installers for different OSs. So I am using Windows. So let's go on install for 64-bit Anaconda. So it will start download once you click that link. So it is done now. Let's go and install Anaconda. So go with the default settings, click next. As of now, select all the default settings. So once after installation, search for Anaconda Navigator and open Anaconda Navigator here from the start menu. So based on your system speed, it will take some time to open the Anaconda Navigator. So if you see, the interface of Navigator is as shown on the display. You have so many applications here. Let's launch Jupyter Notebook, which is one of the application comes with Anaconda Navigator. Now let's understand what is Jupyter Notebook. The Jupyter Notebook is nothing but a web application that allows you to create and share documents that contains your code. So you can also create visualizations, you can draw graphs, you can do many things with Jupyter Notebook. The name Jupyter comes from the core supported programming language, like it supports Julia, Python and R. So in this Jupyter Notebook, you can code in Python, you can code in Julia and you can code in R. That's why it is called Jupyter. And why it is called notebook? Because the interface looks like notebook. So now let's write some code and run in Jupyter Notebook. So now let's open Jupyter Notebook in Chrome. After clicking launch, select Chrome. So once it redirects to a local host at port 8888, and this is the interface of Jupyter Notebook, and you can go to new tab and click Python 3 to open a new notebook, blank notebook. So this is the Python Jupyter Notebook, and there will be cells where you can write your code and you can execute. Each cell will act as one command prompt. So you can also change the name of the Jupyter notebook. Here I am giving the name as tutorial video 2. So like this you can change the name of the Jupyter notebook. And now let's write some code. So print hello world. So in order to execute this code, you can click the run button, or you can click on the cell and enter shift plus enter. You have to press shift plus enter. So in that way you can execute the line. Once it is done, you will see the result below the line. So in the same way, you can write the code in another line, another cell, and you can execute. So if you see, you can, after execution of one cell, you will get another cell. In this way, it looks very clear, and it is very much easy for learners to understand, and it is like a notebook. So this makes Jupyter Notebook more user friendly for beginners. So in the coming videos, we will be using Jupyter Notebook. And thank you for watching this video, and share with your friends. Subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you have any queries. In the next video, we will see about identifiers and keywords in Python. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.